Hey kids, we just got one of these cars that climbs the walls. Here we go. It's on the wall right now. You literally just stick it there and it goes. It's a race car. Pick it up, we can't see. Oh, it just fell. And then it spins. Can it climb up the wall? No, you have to actually put it up there. It literally just sticks. Oh, burn! Try it again. One more time. Take it from across all the way. Let's see if it spins. Can you spin it out? Now reverse. Go back up. Fast. Oh, it doesn't go. Oh, it does. Go. Oh, it's crawling. Go over. Let's see if it spins over. Move it up. I think our baseboards are too thick. All right, kids, thanks for watching.